So let's take this deployment request 1005. It's still in the assessing phase. And I am going to create another deployment request task, but I want it at the end of the playbook. Like before we mark this thing ready, I will have a final task. Okay, so I'm going to go to new deployment request task. This is going to be of type runbook. It wants to know our pipeline stage. So these little pauses can happen on the release playbook or the assessment playbook. In this case, we're picking the assessment playbook. Which deployment playbook stage, okay, so this is like move to test or ready for deploy. Those map to the big blocks in our playbooks. So we want the ready for deploy stage. Okay, and then what runbook activity? The ready for deploy stage only has one activity before ready for deployment. So let's pick that. And let's say, does Bob feel like doing this or not? Okay, so now this deployment request is up to 5 runbook tasks. We'll also see that one of them, the run fixed scripts for app XYZ, or the run data load for app XYZ, that's already come and gone. They're done. And we're currently in the work in progress of run fixed scripts for app XYZ. So they're marked as open as soon as you create them, but we don't count them as actually working until they're work in progress. Okay, so I'm just going to pop this one open and I'm going to resolve it. And now you can see everything else is in work in progress because it's gone and done the testing and that work is complete. So it's kind of in our image here, it's jumped from here to here. Or rather, sorry, it jumped from here back to here. Okay, so now we have these that are work in progress, and as soon as they're complete, it would go to the playbook again, see what's next. Obviously, the last thing it does is mark that ready for deployment. And we've seen from this DR example, as soon as those close completes happened, the deployment request is now ready for deployment.